Have you wondered you've been working hard to improve your life, but you're not feeling anywhere close to being successful? Chances are you might be showing few signs of self-sabotage and which are going unnoticed. So let's examine if you're experiencing any of these signs. Number one, over planning. Planning is good. It helps us to stay in a systematic manner. However, the downside of it is that many of us use it to avoid taking action. We'd rather come up with an awesome detailed plan than actually acting on it. It's because we are using it as a procrastination tool. It's good to have a feeling of being organized, but you have to make sure that you're taking the right action as well in order to make the entire plan worth it. The second one is lack of commitment. Have you ever started off something and then given up halfway because it wasn't giving you the desired result? You can't always expect immediate success. Success happens when you commit yourself to your ideas, to yourself, and when it feels like nothing has happened during the course of implementation, you still stay put on your commitment to making that happen. Number three, needing inspiration. Needing inspiration is another way for you to procrastinate and you don't realize it. Instead of getting started, you search for answers with the mindset that you need something inspiring to take the first step. When you keep searching for answers, you might feel overwhelmed. Dig into what you already know and get started before you know all the answers. Number four, being rigid about your image. Have you been overthinking the way you define yourself? What might think you can do something because your personality isn't right? We all are multifaceted and it doesn't have to be something that holds you back. What holds you back is thinking that you have a certain type of personality to be successful. Or if you have another kind of a personality, this is not something that you should be doing. And the fifth one is inconsistency. Consistency is very, very vital for success. If you lack consistency in your work, your behavior, or your daily routine, you'll find it very difficult to actually make progress in life. So, if you've been experiencing any of these kind of signs, it's time for you to pause, take a step back, and change the way you are approaching the entire situation. Seeking the help of a coach could help you chart this new journey. Thank you.